Your remote not working all the time? Having to get closer to the vehicle so it'll work on your Dodge Challenger? Stop worrying. Let's change that battery first before calling a locksmith or going to the dealership. And let's see if that was a problem. I'll show you step by step with no special tools. All you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. Take your remote. We are going to remove the emergency blade, which is spring loaded right here. Now the key is out. You'll see an indentation where the key came out and then a little spot on the side right here. Take that key, put it in there, and start prying it apart. Gently, it'll come apart easily. This one came apart in 2 pieces. No worries. Gently squeeze the sides and just set it over here. Now, with that being said, take the bottom of your key, put it under the battery, and it'll pop right out. As you can see, it's a CR2032 battery. Toss that to the side. Get you a quality battery. I'm not being sponsored. These are just the batteries I use. And you'll notice right here, you have the positive sign. Positive down. Put it in. Spring loaded. Make sure the tabs are good. You can turn around, take the half, and put it right over. Make sure it goes down on the seals on the side and seals nicely. And it did. If you ever stayed in the housing, you got lucky, and even better for you. Take the 2 halves and squeeze them together and it'll start snapping. Hey, if you found this video helpful, like the video, leave a comment down below, and remember, let's be safe out there.